asesa.
U preaching asesa. Uni ye asesa. Uti social media. Uti mi ka say me I am into real estate. Me sisi adan me woska. Me say na fe uti mi kwa brochira na say ti mi kwa straight up say wo ye sofo. But say wo drive wo. Unkuta licenses. Na police ni bejak bitata who born dog. But Bible say they went to me antete ne ba ye wo fie kura no wonti mi hwe nyame maso.
Ti wa wo fie nye no.
Ufie no.
Undeserve so hwe nyame maso.
And so for bebre nim se bia wo hwe ba ye man shoes sha wo din ko school papa. Odi nuane pa ne wo fa bibia nya yo daddy kasi wo timi to bia na chance wo tete ne ye wo hwe ne ye.
First time, Akola no 16 years. Number 2, what was the foundation or the background of your papa Salifu Amoako? And then going forward, are we treating our children right? You do what we are. Na ye we fi say training na ye firm no eno na make you who we are. It's your money and woman no be say media bra me bra mo me pese me babe. Mane mrebi. Mane who say life is not easy. Life you have to earn things.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, but as I said, what's you in? I Xposed GH. FM Bambros. Subscribe, man, boy, don't manage so. The two penal saka. Yeah, Salifu Amoako, the bishop elect. Aye, on a me beka no asem. Asem ya to no. E wi asem me de me say so hwe to obi a me anya me de. Na mum eniam bi ampese ye kan nyina di tu ye hofo. Ti na me ye video enye sabe assemblance no ye nyina anim. Ne ba bema a sabe na ne ba pani edi birthday a otam car a yenim ye ba mu a wo drive car no at the stop speed wo de ko nu nkofo bi ma omo ye American citizens a omo ahye dwere be a police for na che ya papa bishop elect and ne wife na nya no wa say America. First time Akola no 16 years. Number 2, what was the foundation or the background of your papa Salifu Amoako? And then going forward, are we treating our children right? Papa bi can be and someone can say ye na Salifu mpacho unim baby a ofi ba ya mechira David or say atare na me wo nwura mu ma nto antwene me de say ho na de bia na makai baby a me fi ba ye mu bi ye re fi baby e fi ba ye re fi say adum bi nti ne gina ha nti ebi ho na ese ye ma no so fam no mu say in life is not easy ye go tie papa ne mra
Salifu Amoako ye asofo na no mu di brother Amoako chi nyina sebe Salifu Amoako so mo camp no mo ko bompa no mo ko crusade bia na seza Salifu Amoako na ka mo banku eti Salifu Amoako me fanse na ono ye akoda keto a me fanse sebio sebe produce why say Samuel oda sorry fia wona we asori fie ne ma eti Salifu Amoako no ba bia nya Amoako no free ye ne ye brother Amoako
Okay.
eti brother Amoako ngosra eto Salifu Amoako so no na Salifu yi ni din a ne surname ni free ono ni din Salifu no so ede Amoako no be so me ne word a me pese me twe na adwensi so asosofo ne se ne refi ne ho a onka yetete na fresh baby a no free no ngosra no ne adom no na wo ne so no na ne kasa bia wo kasa no ontie dia break because ye mu bi ene ebeti maka kire no Salifu Amoako ye nim no a wotene ne sa ne partigu adom ne ngosra wo no so Orion Cinema nipa ne gu ne na ase
Wayira ne kwan no
me kasa mu amana yira ne kwan no so atiasie enne Salifu Amoako ba Kumasi sesi ase obe Kumasi for Christ ayo nipa bi na beko ye mpepre on sade ne yakọ ne se first no e ka me ase nkora na yedidi akire ne ade no ye hunu sasa mokora mudi ye nim no asa mu nya mo ne ma ye nti when I'm talking from experience the benefit me to amfo a me say ya kwada de ba kwada tu panifo ye enti oye sane mana fen ye pagya na Salifu ebre bi Salifu Amoako agimambedu e wo so ame no mu hotel Salifu Amoako e preachi no frɛ abrante bi ka chen say wo ochina be kwa abruchi wo beje di
da bi ya abruchi asem ne ye kan
se na say chi for process one san china sa de chi
ye chi anwumre so na no ye program no hya no kom 9 o'clock anwumre I was there me na me to nyudi na chi agimambedu laugh chapel that na Salifu Amoako da Rexma hotel ye ne ko fa no
sa fede ba de se a
afede ba de se ya
preaching asesa
u preaching asesa uni ye asesa uti social media uti mi ka say me I am into real estate me sisi adan me woska me ye say na fe wuti mi kwa brochira na say ti mi kwa straight up say wo ye sofo but say wo drive wo unkuta licenses na police ni bejak bitata who born dog But Bible said they went to me and to buy ye wo fie kra no went to me hwe nyame maso.
Ti wa wo fie nye no.
Wo fie nye no.
Un deserve so hwe nyame maso.
And so for bebre nim se bia wo hwe oba ye man shoes sha wo di go school papa. Odi nuane pa ne wo fa bibia nya yo daddy kasi wo timi to bia na chance wo tete ne ye wo hwe ne ye. Enti akwada 16 years no. Anyi wo tena ka man no to ye kire no.
Obi na kire no.
So ya akwada wo te Salifu fie no kire ne kaka. Ana papa na kire ne kaka. Ana sa akwada no ontimi ntuka ne just like that sir. Ye kire no.
Obi ntimi me kire o kaka bra won kan kire
o bra kan kire ma me na o papa. En ka ba ne ade kire no o ska o ya adwuma e de onya sa.
Oni bibi. De bia me ka me bi. Me say the way nipa ye wo no eno na make you who you are today. Yes. Say ewiase ye wo to baabi a unya bibia free a sometimes wa dwen kra enya adwuma papa. Yeti a make say ye wa sofo ma bebre wo omo aye nkwala bone. Bebre. Sometimes imlemi asofo no because we congregation wo any sebe obi antafre kra ba ne dem o say spiritual so mo ba ne nchen a this what going to happen. But no excuse. 16 years. What does the law of Ghana says about driving? You need to be what we call at least 18. So 16 is underage, is no go area. Some worker if you only go a no go area. Yeti alone yes at 16. Hey, driving is one of the most difficult jobs because when you are driving on the way, all your faculties are working. You need to coordinate your leg, your arm, your brain, everything. Make sure say when all that is working. The age of 16, no, you are not fit to drive. It's by virtue of law. By law, no, 16 years you can't drive. You can't drive. And number 2, you will be a sabi. You feel background, papa no. You me peja ni edu baby ani e refi say the way you feel baby anya no, and no make you who we are today. Yes. Ni a wo fam no ene na build o. De bia me say David adenti no kon wuram because no obe leading a nation. Enti obe leading nation ti na say nyame starting what emwa say leading one na me hwe. O leading mu ajataba ese otimi ni omko na di nkunim. Oseboba ese otimi ne ko. Adenti because oba be ye king of a nation 7 to kwa beba you fight. Niama David Komu ye tempting nyina helping no na shaping the career and no nya gidie wo nyamem because ohun say baby amedu no wenye nipa na mamedu nyame na mamedu baby amedu yi nanso ye du wo wi a na ye we fi say training na ye fam no eno na make ye hu wi a enti e man ye wom no bi say me de bra me bra mo me pese me babe mane mra bi but no say life is not easy. Life you have to earn things. Yeah, funny man to check. And nothing na you despite. Me check you no. Pass ne ba no owo invest no use car. Only car because no person akwalan say again no who the things you think say akwalan no hwe na he is what? He's stable. Ya tete ni yie. Ye mo bebre wo hon ma ye tete ye ma yie. Enye sabi bishop in America. Esikafo bi wo ye ma na excesses. Niam hu ye na de mom by virtue say or you benti you it's good. But you need to protect and guide the children. How do you guide? You need to let the child know say if you ask him be piano, you have to fight for it. And then I said me after I start say yes, I'm courts. Do what near best be at Bebremon. I Xposed GHFM Bebrem. Also subscribe it. And we are still open for business. If you have birthday, party, funeral, whatever, festivals, we cover them live on YouTube and anywhere. Manuesi.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.